Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and configure inventory tracking in Shopify. Let's begin. So here we are in Shopify and we are currently in the product section. So to go here into the product section, you need to click here at the left side and it says product right here, and you just need to click this, and after that you will be prompted right here. And as you can see, I have these 3 products, some sample products that I made for this tutorial right here. So first thing is we're gonna go for this product right here, and we can see right here we can edit the tracking quantity option. So let's just wait for it to load, and we want to go down and find the inventory section right here. And as you can see, I have the track quantity enabled right here, and we have the continue selling when out of stock. But most of the time you don't need to enable this because you don't want to continue selling when you're out of stock, because you won't be able to send anything to the customers because you don't have any stocks. So yeah, and after that, then after you have enabled the track quantity, you can just go and configure how much is committed right here on your products available or on hand. Right here you could just customize it right here. And let's go back, and we can also view the other products right here. For example, this sunglass right here, and when I scroll down, as you can see, I don't have the inventory option right here because I already have the variants right here. So I don't have the inventory option for I have the size and color variants. So I can just go and modify my inventory right here, how much is on hand, committed, and available. And I can also modify the price for each variant. And another way of doing this is going here into the inventory at the left side right here, and I can also just modify how much is available and on hand right here for every variants of every product. The inventory section is more of an overview of overall products here in your store. And one thing is go here into products again, and when you add a product, you want to make sure that you enable the track quantity right here if you have this option right here in the inventory. So make sure that you enable this, so in every time you add a product right here in Shopify. And that's basically how you enable and configure tracking inventory here in Shopify.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.